Okay, today we are talking about repairing a Moen Urinal automatic flush valve that has a weak flush or a short flush. This video also applies to automatic flush valves on water closets. So here is the urinal in question. You can see the automatic flush valve. Here's the parts breakdown for this flush valve. This is a commercial unit. You can see the model numbers up here. Now, what we'll be replacing in this video is the solenoid and the O-rings and the piston control disc. We'll check the batteries and replace those. And we'll also check the setting of the dip switches to make sure they are properly set on top of the control module. You'll start by loosening these two Allen set screws on the side here and here. Now off camera, I replaced all four of these AA batteries that you see here, and that still didn't solve my problem. So now we are going to check the position of those dip switches. If you look underneath the cover here, it shows you a schematic or a diagram of how the dip switches should be positioned depending on the GPF of the water closet or urinal that you're working on. Before we replace any parts, we want to shut off the water here at the angle stop. So we'll need to remove this beauty cover. You can see the angle stop is leaking. It's a good idea to replace that too. We won't do that in this video. And we were successfully able to get the water to shut off. I like to test it by pushing the little reset button and the manual flush valve button. So you can see we're safe to remove components now. To help you out, here's the Moen part number for the solenoid for this unit. Here's what it looks like. Comes with the new springs and O-rings. You can see all the new parts it comes with. We replaced the O-rings. Now we'll go ahead and install our new solenoid. Anytime you replace the batteries or a part on one of these flush valves, always remember to push the reset button here. Now remember to tighten your Allen set screws here and here. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.